MBA crash course on strategic negotiation and conflict resolution. Here is an overview of strategic negotiation and conflict resolution to give you a starting point for your studies. Strategic negotiation refers to the process of reaching agreements and resolving conflicts between parties while considering long-term objectives and maximizing value. It involves careful planning, effective communication, and the use of various negotiation techniques to achieve mutually beneficial outcomes. Conflict resolution, on the other hand, focuses on managing and resolving conflicts that arise in business settings. It involves understanding the underlying causes of conflict, facilitating open communication, and finding solutions that address the interests and concerns of all parties involved. Now, let's briefly discuss some common techniques used in strategic negotiation and conflict resolution. Preparation. Proper preparation is key to successful negotiation. It involves researching the other party's interests, understanding your own priorities, and developing a clear strategy for achieving your objectives. Active listening. Active listening is essential for effective communication during negotiations. It involves giving full attention to the other party, seeking to understand their perspective, and demonstrating empathy. Building rapport. Building rapport helps establish a positive and cooperative atmosphere during negotiations. Finding common ground, showing respect, and maintaining a professional demeanor can contribute to building rapport. Interest-based bargaining. Interest-based bargaining focuses on identifying and addressing the underlying interests and needs of both parties rather than simply focusing on positions. It involves exploring creative solutions that meet the core interests of all parties involved. BATNA. Best alternative to a negotiated agreement. BATNA refers to the alternative course of action that a party can pursue if the negotiation fails. Understanding your BATNA helps determine your negotiation leverage and provides a basis for evaluating proposed agreements. Win-win solutions. The goal of strategic negotiation is to achieve win-win outcomes where both parties feel that their interests have been met. This requires a collaborative mindset and a willingness to explore mutually beneficial solutions. Problem solving. Problem-solving techniques involve approaching negotiation as a joint effort to find solutions to common challenges. It focuses on generating options, evaluating alternatives, and working together to overcome obstacles. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in negotiation and conflict resolution. Being aware of and the emotions of, as others, can well as understanding help navigate challenging managing your emotions situations and build trust. Assertiveness and persuasion. Assertiveness involves clearly expressing your needs and preferences while respecting the perspectives of others. Persuasion techniques, such as presenting compelling arguments and using evidence, can help influence the decision-making process. Mediation. Mediation involves bringing in a neutral third party to facilitate communication and help parties reach a resolution. The mediator helps identify common ground, clarify misunderstandings, and guide the negotiation process. Collaboration and teamwork. Collaboration and teamwork are important when multiple parties are involved in the negotiation. It requires effective coordination, communication, and alignment of interests among team members to achieve desired outcomes. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations are essential in negotiation and conflict resolution. It involves maintaining honesty, integrity, and fairness throughout the process and adhering to legal and professional standards. In summary, strategic negotiation and conflict resolution are critical skills in business settings. By employing techniques such as preparation, active listening, interest-based bargaining, and problem-solving, negotiators can achieve mutually beneficial outcomes and effectively resolve conflicts. Additionally, fostering collaboration, maintaining ethical standards, and leveraging emotional intelligence can contribute to successful negotiations and conflict resolution. It is important to remember that negotiation and conflict resolution are dynamic processes, and the specific techniques used may vary depending on the context and individuals involved. Adapting and applying these techniques appropriately can greatly enhance the chances of reaching satisfactory outcomes and building positive relationships. Now, as promised, here is a poem that captures the essence of strategic negotiation and conflict resolution. In the realm of negotiations, where conflicts reside, strategic minds converge, seeking harmony to stride. With careful planning and thoughtful intention, we navigate the terrain, aiming for resolution. Preparation, the foundation we lay. Researching, analyzing, paving the way. Understanding interests, uncovering needs. building bridges, planting the seeds. Active listening, a symphony of words. Empathy and understanding, harmony heard. Through attentive ears and open hearts, we forge connections where understanding starts. Building rapport, a dance of trust. Finding common ground, a must. With respect and professionalism displayed, a collaborative spirit is duly conveyed. Interest-based bargaining, a path we tread. Seeking common goals, beyond what's said. Creative solutions, like rays of light, illuminate the possibilities, shining bright. BATNA, the safety net we hold. An alternative path, if negotiations fold. With leverage in hand, we stand tall. Evaluating options, before we make the call. Win-win solutions, our guiding star. Balancing interests, near and far. Through collaboration and compromise, we shape agreements, to everyone's surprise. Problem solving, a puzzle to solve. Unraveling complexities, we resolve. Generating options, evaluating each move. With determination and the will to improve. Emotional intelligence, a key in our quest. Managing emotions, with finesse. Understanding others, with empathy's embrace. Navigating conflicts, finding common space. Assertiveness and persuasion, we employ. Expressing our needs, with confidence and joy. Using logic and reason, we make our case. Influencing minds, leaving a lasting trace. Mediation, a bridge we traverse. Bringing parties together, conflicts to disperse. With a neutral guide, facilitating the way. We uncover solutions, where adversaries sway. Collaboration and teamwork, a symphony of minds. Unifying efforts, with synchronicity that binds. Coordinating actions, aligning interests true. We move towards resolution, with a shared value. Ethical considerations, our moral compass bright. Integrity and fairness, guiding us through the night. Upholding principles, in every negotiation act. Building trust and respect, with a steadfast pact. In the realm of negotiations, conflicts transform. From discord to harmony, a new norm. With strategic minds and techniques at play, we navigate the path towards a brighter day. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.